Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. Very happy day out there to everybody watching. I'm missing my coffee and I'm also missing my water because I left it downstairs. But anyways, I'm just going to sit down. We're going to chat about nothing. I'm just going to do some rambles. We're going to get ready. Old school, I guess. If you are new here, I want to say thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. I greatly appreciate it. Smash the like button for me. Make sure you are subscribed, your bell's on, however you want to see me pop up. I'm just going to do an old school get ready with me. I'll have all the makeup I have in the description box. I don't have my coffee. I drank my coffee. It's almost lunchtime, so we're on a break. So I'm going to put some makeup on. Anyways, how is everybody? I haven't done just a chat to get ready with me about just, and I don't know, I don't really have anything to talk about. We currently don't have any internet, so we are not schooling. So I was like, you know what? Y'all go play with some Legos. I'm going to go film, right? So anyways, this stuff smells like cotton candy. Does anybody else use things because they like the way it smells? Like, I really like vitamin C and, like, my skincare. I know it's probably artificial, but I really like it. Anyways, this smells like cotton candy. And I'm going back old school. Oh, I miss this. Anyways, I burnt my face. I was curling my hair over the weekend and whap on my cheekbone. No, I'll probably never learn. I will always be super klutzy. But that's okay. I'm going to try to avoid putting makeup on it because it looks not great when you do that. But anyways, so I guess I could share that. I am trying a different tanner because I've been putting this on. I was like, wow, that is a different tone. I am trying the Ulta Beauty brand. I finally ran out of the tannologist and I just honestly didn't want to drive all the way to Target. But this thing is so big. But anyways, so I'm trying the Ulta brand stuff. I don't know, so far. It's giving me almost more of a neutral, where it is like the tanologist would almost turn me like warm tan. Not complaining either way. Like, they're both very beautiful tans. They're different tans, in my opinion. Or maybe that would be fun to do, like, a side by side. I did. If I remember, I will put up pictures. But, maybe I won't do that because I started, and you're supposed to do, like, it's timed, and you can do 1 hour, 3 hours, or whatever. It says full tan, like, after 8 hours, and I put it on my body and I go about my day. I don't wash it off until I, like, shower next, which is usually, like, the next morning after my workouts. Oh, I really miss that. Anyways, and so, yeah, it's not staining my clothes, just a sneak peek. I don't know if you want a dedicated video. I suppose I could do a dedicated video, but I'll probably just really chat about it. Maybe do like a review. You know what I think I'm going to do for reviews? Because I recently slacked on doing videos in general, and then I just, I did like a 4-month thing, like a video, and I kind of like doing that. Instead of talking about everything, because I tend to go overboard some months and then, like, not the next, and I don't know. You let me know. Do you like the 1 month, like, what I've been trying, how's it working kind of videos? Or did you like the, I've been trying stuff for 4 months, here's a video? I guess I kind of like both, right? I've been reading really good at this pen. For, like, just natural days. Now, I say I'm going to go, I like natural days, but then literally I'm sitting down because I was like, I want purple eye makeup right today. I have my camo khaki jeans on and my MTV shirt, and I was like, yeah, I really just want purple eye makeup today. I'm not going anywhere. At most, I'll go for a walk or to the mailbox or something, a mini walk, but all purple eye makeup for the day. Here we are. I have been walking, kind of. When I did, I don't know, my Monday, see, I said I was doing really, really good, and then the eyebrow just kind of got away from me. I've been doing the Monday positive videos, and I mean, they're not getting viewed. I mean, it is what it is, and I knew they weren't going to. Mondays aren't everybody's favorite, but they are my favorite. And I thought, you know what? In the new year, I'm gonna start this new series just to spread a little bit of positivity. It's like they're there for people to come and just. I talk about what was good the week prior. I talk about my goals for the week. Just some happy moments that happened. But anyways, they're kind of low-key casual, and I don't know what I want to do. I'm gonna go with this one. Really hit pan in a lot of these. Almost. Anyways, for myself, I enjoy them, and I'm okay with them not doing super great, even if it's just one person that sees it and they have a better Monday or a better week or whichever. That's why they're there. No expectations, but that's really kind of why I do my channel anyways. When people just come, hang out, low key with a friend. Usually I have coffee, but smash that this morning, like a boss. Like I feel like that's gonna be the next coffee cup that I do, like a boss, just because I smashed through some coffee. Usually, I am a huge fan of my Black Rifle coffee. I always have, well, I can't say always. Sometimes there's a little bit of lapse in ordering, but typically I always have my Black Rifle coffee. Calf is my favorite. I got this one out. I just like moved my things and I was like, oh, I forgot about this blush. Anyways, so yeah, I got some coffee through Influencer, the Ethical Bean, and it was the purple bag I have open right now. Was it Lush? It's good. It's real good. And I think I found it at Target, on Target's website. This is really pretty. It's very pigmented, and I have been using less pigmented blushes lately, and I went crazy. I blended it a little bit. But anyways, I really, really love the glow that this gives to the cheeks. I'm going to have cold winter kissed cheeks. It's cold for North Carolina. It's cold. But I mean, it's not Michigan cold that I'm used to. I'm kind of giggling because we're pretty much halfway through winter, and it's like about to be the coldest it usually is all year. And I'm like, I put a sweatshirt on. I am not complaining, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so not complaining. I almost don't want to do a highlighter because I just like that. I'm going to skip a highlighter, so I used the bronzer out of this. It's just so pretty. Okay. A couple old favorites right here. Yeah, I moved my stuff. The shelf broke. In my little blue thing that I was using, it broke. So I had to move things, and I'm trying to take care of things because I'm also working on like a TV tray. So I need to figure that out. Originally, I was okay with it. But then I'm like, maybe I'm not okay with it. Maybe I do want like another desk. Like my desk I used to have like sitting behind me in Michigan. That's downstairs in my sitting room. It's like my quote unquote TV when I want a TV in my sitting room. But I don't know, it's just downstairs. I don't want to look at it when I'm in my bedroom. It doesn't fit. I don't know why that took so much time. I needed something on my lips. Anyways, KKW and then the PYT Beauty. I really like this. I really, really do. I like the color. I like the lasting power too for lip gloss, but it almost feels like I don't have anything. But it's very neutral. Neutral, natural. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to match the look. It's just kind of what I wanted to use. We're going backwards. You know what? I just bent over to start putting things in a bag to kind of clean up, and I forgot. I got a set of brushes in the bag I wanted to use. And then when I was moving stuff, I found I have a problem. They were both sent by Ipsy. They're both the same LaRuth's brand, I believe is how you say it. We'll use them for the eyes anyways. I can't tell you how so I'm kind of excited though. They're different brushes. So I have like, whatever. I didn't use these. I meant to. Next time I filmed, but here we are. Kabuki. Well, this would be really good for concealer. Yeah, okay. So I have 4 brushes to try out today. Anyways, I don't even know what I was saying before the lip stuff. And then I started overlining because I like have like a pimple on like my hairline. It kept, you know what? I had some lip problems today. Putting makeup on anyways. So I hope the lip color does match. I haven't gotten into this too much. See, it doesn't even really bend back, but this shade, oh, like when I wanted to do my makeup, I was like, it's the shade I want to do. I think I want pink in the crease though. So, you know what? I usually don't. So I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush, a bigger fluffy brush than what I have. Over here. I'm gonna go into Lucid Dream right here. I love the size of this palette. I've only tried the little one. I mean, I've worn this one a couple times, but I mean, I don't think I've had it on my channel at all. I think I got this when I was like not doing YouTube. In the midst of all the craziness that happened in the fall and everything like that. Yeah, I really am loving all the pinks and purples that are coming out, but I'm like, I know that I don't have a lot of color, and stuff, but I wonder if I can get enough looks out of what I do have to not have to keep buying and buying and buying. So that is kind of what I'm doing now that I'm not testing the ColourPop, is going through all of my makeup just to see, is there enough pink and purple to not spend money. It's like an overflow of 'tis the season with everybody coming out with like their Valentine's collections and stuff, which I think I have enough. But anyways, I wanted to get into this because, like I said, this one shade, and I think I'm going to use a glitter glue just because I really want it to pop. The one I have sitting right here is Ulta Beauty. And I want this one all over the lid. I mean, I guess I could probably try without it, but I'm thinking I'm going to have best luck. Oops, that goes in the thing. I think I'm going to have best luck if I do use a glitter primer. So I want this all over. I'm going to do my basic look, but with color. I am so inspired when I watch other creators and like they do these beautiful color looks, and I was like, oh, I don't think I could do that, but then I want to, so here we are. We want to, and we are going to do this. So I'm going into Electric Amethyst. It's this really pretty purple with like pink and blue shift. I am going to try just a dry brush. It's so pretty. All of my favorite creators always wear color. And I'm so drawn to everything they put on their channels. And like I was saying, like all these releases right now, they're all pink and purple. All of them. And they're beautiful. I'm like, I don't know. But then I have all of these palettes. I mean, I have a lot of the IBY palettes too. The two big ones that I have, the Super Bloom and I don't remember, Enchanted. They have pinks and purples too. I really like this shade though. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go in with more of a tapered kind of brush, and I'm gonna go into Astrid Lust, the purple, right underneath that, just to darken out the upper seven. I'm gonna lift my 7. Not going anywhere, like I said. It's a school day, but we don't have internet. I love this. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I almost like the purple more than I like the pink in there. These are really pigmented. But they aren't falling on my face, which is really nice. Do you guys have this palette? Are you into this pink purple like craze going on right now? I am. I'm living for it. Even though I very much so wear lots of neutrals. Once in a while, I have like this crazy color mode, and I want color. And that would be right now. But it's really pretty. It's not even like skipping on the outside right there. Okay, I want to do something super fun in the middle. And I think it was this one I really liked. It's like a champagne gold, but it's like a pinky kind of shift. I'm going to do that on the inner corner. say tapered blending. Well, I'm using it as an inner corner blending. Oh, it's just a suggested use, right? Really pull in that pink and the glitter. I really like that. I'm gonna take kind of like a smudgy brush. Do I want the pink or the purple? You know what? I'm gonna do, ooh, do I still have that brush? Well, I'm gonna go in with a round brush too. So I'm gonna start with the smudgy brush and I'm gonna go in with the purple that I did on the outside. I'm gonna keep this kind of on the outer half, maybe the outer third, I don't know, it depends on how I feel. But I'm just wiggling it in there. And I'm gonna keep this right on my waterline. I don't do too smoky, but I do like some color. Oh, that's really pretty. Maybe I don't want anything else. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, matchy on the other side. Okay, with a clean smudgy brush, I'm just gonna kind of soften that out. I'm not putting anything on the brush. I decided I was gonna do the pink and blend it out, but then, I mean, I'm probably gonna go too far with it if I do that. So just gonna soften it a little bit. Perfect. And now I want the purple underneath too. So same brush, smudgy brush, and I'm gonna go in with that electric amethyst, the glitter, and I'm gonna do the same. Kind of meet it up. See, it's not really, the glitter's not really coming across like that. Well, anyways, I think this is as smudgy as it's gonna get. I am in love with this. Okay, I'm going to put some mascara on, and I guess that's it. That was kind of a quick video. Let me know about this palette. Let me know about the pink palettes. Are you guys into it? Are you living for the pink palettes like I am right now? Let me know. I don't know. I'm going to go through my collection. I am going to try not to buy everything just because I like the setup. See if I can get it from what I have already. Anyways, I'm just going to pop this on real quick and we'll close out the video. Okay, this is the finished pink vibe look that I'm going for. This is exactly what I wanted to wear for the day with my MTV shirt. The lips actually worked out, so I'm really happy about that. I have my happy cheeks, which always makes me happy. But anyways, I am really excited about this pink purple trend. I don't know if it's just like a trend or if like 'tis the season, but I did get the IBY Super Bloom palette kind of late last year, like in the fall. So I'm really excited to get that out. And then the Enchanted's got some blues and purples and just whimsical kind of shades. I'm so excited. Maybe this will help me wear more color because I really like it. I really like this eye look. Anyways, let me know, what is your favorite eye trend right now that you were just kind of digging, like shades that you're super drawn in to? Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go have lunch. I hope you guys have an amazing and blessed day. Just drop down in the comments and say hi. Smash the like button, share with your friends so I make more friends here on the internet. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.